Today we're going to talk about retinoids. Hey everyone, it's Manuela Marcheggiani from Isomers Skincare. I'm a cosmetic chemist with over 30 years experience in skincare and skincare formulating and science. And we've been studying the skin for a very long time and the ingredients. And today we're going to talk about retinoids. What are they? Retinoids are derivatives of vitamin A. Vitamin A and the retinoids are very important in skin health and skin quality. And retinoids have been utilized to really help heal the skin, change the skin, and do many things for the skin. So they're very, very important. Now, what do the retinoids do? What do retinols do? Retinols go onto your skin and they actually help with the cell turnover. They help refine the skin. They help with the sebum balance. So they're very much anti-aging. They're very much renewing and resurfacing. And this is important. Why? Because you can start using retinoids at a very early age because they're used in acne treatment, they're used to refining the skin, and they're also used for anti-aging. So it's not just about lines and wrinkles, it's about pore size, it's about scarring, it's about acne and cell turnover, and just creating a better, healthier looking complexion. Retinoids are also something that have to be used in a particular way. Okay, so when you're using them, you have to understand their concentration. You want to be able to use them properly. So when you wash your skin, use retinoids at night. Don't use them in the daytime. And the reason for this is that they're not very stable in UV. So in the daytime, pretty much, if you put them on your skin, they may make your skin much more sun sensitive. They may lead to issues with pigmentation or more severe pigmentation. And also that the benefit of the retinoid is neutralized. So this is my, advice or my suggestion. I strongly recommend use them at nighttime and use them 1 to 5 or 6 times a week, depending on your skin type, your skin tolerance. So you start slow. You're going to cleanse your skin at night, and it should, you should wait 5 or 10 minutes, make sure your skin is dry, and that is the first thing you put on is your retinoid, your retinol, your retiniacin if you're using ours, okay, from Isomers Skincare. You put that on first. Then you're going to follow up after about a minute or so with your other skincare routines. So that could be your serums, that could be your creams, that can be your oils. But the first thing that touches your skin at night after cleansing and after it's dried for a few minutes is the retinoid. That is a proper way of using it, and that's the best way to get the best result. And then the very next day and every day after that, you always wear sunscreen because, again, you don't want your skin to be too vulnerable, too sun sensitive, and all those things. Because retinoids are a serious ingredient. They provide amazing benefits, renewing, resurfacing, anti-aging, clearing up of the skin, help refine your skin texture. But it's like salt. A little bit is good, too much, not so good, okay? So you want to be able to work with your skin and listen to your skin. Start slow. You can use retinols around the eye area, but again, you're going to use it slowly, 1 time a week, see how your skin tolerates it. Also, you can mix them after as a layer with other acids, but again, you will increase your risk of sensitivity. So again, this is something that I would caution. I would actually personally like to alternate 1 day a retinoid, 1 day an acid. But if you combine them together, some people have seen great benefits, especially when they have more severe issues with their skin. But again, you want to be very careful the next day, and you also want to be able to hydrate your skin properly. So use a lot of, your moisturizers, use your serums. I would highly recommend adding, the hyaluronate into your skin, and I would also add elements that are going to help with the ceramide buildup. Anyway, this is our little chit chat about retinoids, and I hope you've enjoyed it. I look forward to your comments, and please stay tuned for more.